This 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern LT 274BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, leveling jacks, oven, LP detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, water heater, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern LT 274BH is 4,789 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.